So this afternoon we have a 2007 Honda Fit, and it's here because the major problem is the heater fan doesn't work on any speeds. I noticed the check engine light is on, or MIL is on, but I can hear the radiator cooling fan kick in when I turn the blower on, but the blower motor under the dash here doesn't work. So we're going to have a look at the electrical circuit and have a look at where that blower motor lives. So I didn't look at the electrical diagram yet. The blower motor lives under the passenger side of the dash. It's quite accessible. So I thought, well, rather than start reinventing the wheel here, let's put a test light across the blower motor plug. And I'm using a headlight as a test light. And I'm going to try that again. I'm going to turn the ignition on and put the blower fan on 1, 2, 3, 4. So simple as that. It needs a blower motor. The blower resistor is working in all speeds. Don't do that for too long. You might overheat the blower resistor because the fan motor would tend to cool the resistor off. I'm going to take the motor out and see if there's any debris above it. See if there's a cabin filter in this thing as well. So there's just 3 screws that hold it in there. It comes out really easy. Trouble is I can't find one in stock anywhere in town. Might have to try the dealer. There is a cabin filter up above it that's behind the glove box, so just open the glove box, pull the latches down. So we're going to change the cabin filter because it's pretty nasty as well. And try and source a blower motor tomorrow. Probably try the dealer. I did find an aftermarket part number, but it's about 3 days away. So we got a new aftermarket blower motor from Four Seasons, 76953, and a Wix cabin air filter to replace that one down there. We're going to go ahead and compare the new blower motor to the original blower motor. Make sure that the squirrel cage is the same orientation. I'll take it out of the box. So you want to make sure the squirrel cage is the same height. Compare the two together, the old one to the new one. And it also is turning in the same direction. The mounting screws look the same. In fact, this looks just like an OEM one in a Four Seasons box. You don't see any part numbers on it. Sometimes you'll be surprised. Yeah. Sometimes you'll find that it's actually an OEM part in an aftermarket box. All right, we're going to go ahead and install it. Should be straightforward. So the blower motor is reinstalled, the new one, and now I'm going to test the current on the blower motor with the vehicle running. I've got an amp clamp on the wire, and right now it's showing roughly 3 amps. There's low. First it was 0.3, now it's 3 amps. Medium 1, 4.5, 7, and on high it's about 11.1. And I recommend to check this, especially if the blower resistor has failed. Now this blower resistor didn't fail, the blower motor brushes just wore out. Let it run for a few minutes and see if it deviates from 11 amps. Check the fuse protection in the circuit. I would expect this would have about a 20 amp fuse in the circuit. Usually about 50% of the fuse rating is the expected current for a blower motor in my opinion, from my experience anyways. Check it on high, check it with the vehicle running. So it's just over 11 amps.